We'll complete this weekend, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are discussing about flows. What was the last discussion that we did in last class?
We did a subflow or a subflow.
Subflow. Okay. So when we go to the flows, click on a new flow. Okay. So in the new flow, we covered screen flow, record triggered flow, platform event triggered flow, right? These three we covered. Today, I'll be talking about auto launch flow. Along with the auto launch flow, I'll be talking about collection sort and collection filter. How to use the collection sort and how to use the collection filter. Did anybody research on this collection sort and collection filter? How this will work?
Yeah, like collection sort is when we get the data in form of collection, like through the gate records. And if we want to sort that, like from that select only this data is in one collection and this data in another collection. That time we use collection sort. And for the collection filter, we apply some filter on that, and accordingly it will get sorted.
Okay. So let's assume that we have an account object. So we have an account object. Inside the account object, we have a opportunities. Assume that we have a opportunity. Now on the account level, I wanted to have a one field, which is say that top 3 opportunities count. Let's go ahead and create that first. Edit object. So fields and relationship, click on new. So count I need it, which is a number, or I can say currency also. Let's check currency. So top 3. Opportunity amount, or top 3 opportunities, sum of top 3. Sum of top 3 opportunities. Let's click on next. Next, save. Where did it add it? Top 3. Are you able to see? Sum of top 3 opportunities. Okay. So what it will do is we have a, let's assume that we have a opportunities. So opportunities based on the amount. Now I have only one opportunity. What I'll do is I'll create few more opportunities. Let's take this is opportunity 1 and amount is, let's assume that this is a 5,000. Close date is 26. Let's say stage is qualification. New. Let's take 4,000. Stage is qualification. Name OP2. Click on save. Close date. Amount is 3,000. And the opportunity 3 stage. Let's say need analysis. 26 save. $2,000. Close date is 2nd and need analysis. This is opportunity. Now we have 5 opportunities on account. We have 5 opportunities on the account. And each one has a different amount. Now I wanted to take top 3 opportunities, which is sorting with amount. And I wanted to calculate those amount and put it onto the account. This is my scenario. Calculate the top 3 amount and put it onto the account. So when I open the account, I should be able to see how much the amount this particular account has. That is minimum amount. So this is my requirement. So what I'll do is I'll go to the flow filter. The first thing, in order to achieve this, what is the first component that I need to use? So what is my first component that I need to take? Is my business scenario is clear?
Yeah.
Right. So which one do I need to take right now? Which component do I need to take?
Update.
Opportunity. Date records.
Forget.
Get records. I have to get the opportunity.
Opportunity.
Opportunity, all conditions.
Amount.
Amount.
Highest amount.
Okay. One criteria is account ID should be there.
Yeah. False.
Another condition,
Amount.
amount should be there. If it is amount is null, then I do not want it to consider it. Perfect. So only the first record or all the records?
All records.
All records. Okay. How to store the record? Automatically store all the fields, choose the fields. Do we wanted to store any fields right now?
No. For all the ones.
Okay. Now, here one thing. Account ID I need to have, right? account ID has to be passed from the top. In order to get the opportunity, I need to have the account ID. I wanted to have the account ID. Sorry, I diverted. So I wanted to have the account ID because directly we are capturing the opportunity details. Now, if I do directly capturing the opportunity details, what will happen? It will get all the opportunities. All the opportunities which does not have, which has the account ID. That could be any account ID. But in case if I wanted to get the opportunities only specific to this particular account, then in that case, I need to have a account ID, right? So let's go ahead and create a resource variable. So let's use the record capital ID. So record ID, what I'll do, I'll take a text. It is available for input as well as available for output. Now I have created the variable which is going to store the record ID information. Now next thing what I'll use is I'll use the collection sort. Now I'm going to sort the opportunities of the top 3. So get top 3 opportunities. And which one I'm going to get? Opportunities, collections. I'm going to get it from the top. And what is the sort by here?
Amount.
Amount.
Descending order.
Descending order. And then keep all the items or maximum number. How many numbers we are going to take? How many opportunities are we interested?
3, only 3, first 3.
First 3. Right. We got a top 3 opportunities. Now I wanted to go through each one of the opportunity. So which component do I need to take?
Loop.
For loop.
Loop. So we are going through the each opportunity. So who is going to pass the data to the loop?
Opportunity.
Opportunity. And first item to the last item. Perfect. So we are done with the loop. What is the next thing?
Now we have to count how much we got. So
Yes. So we have to count. So let's go ahead and create a one variable. Let's assume that this variable name is top 3 sum. Data type number. Decimal place is 3. Just give me a second. Sorry. So top 3 numbers, default value. I do not have any default value. And do I need to take a input or output, or do I need both?
Input. Available for it.
And how about the output? So this class is you are going to drive me. I'm not going to teach this class.
Yeah, we need it for output also. It displays in the object, it displays in the record.
Okay, done. Now what is the next component that I need to take it?
Now we have to assign value to that variable.
Why do we have to assign it?
Because we have to count.
Okay, so where should I need to add?
Yeah, there only.
Okay, assignment. Update count. Right. So what is the variable that I need to have?
Count variable, which we created.
Count variable.
Top two opportunities.
Okay. So what is the operator?
Add.
Count would be add. Yeah.
Add. What is the value that I'm going to take it?
Current item from loop opportunity.
Then
Dot amount.
amount. Then okay. So what is the next one?
Now we got the values into the variable. We have to put it on the field that we have created.
So what is the next component that I need to add?
Update record.
Where do I need to add? Do I need to add here or here?
Yeah, it will be the out of the loop.
After last.
Okay. What is the component?
Update.
Okay. Now tell me.
Update account.
Okay. Whoever is not talking, I'm going to ask a question after this. Okay. What is the use? The ID field or specify condition?
Now we have to get the object for which we are updating the record. So we have to specify that object. So we will choose second.
Okay. What is the object?
Account.
Account. Okay. Now here
Some of
filter account records.
Okay.
Based on what? Based on ID.
Yeah.
Opportunity ID. Yeah, recorded.
What are the fields that I need to set on the account record?
Sum of opportunity, the new field which we added. Sum of
top 3 to the
top 2 opportunity sum.
Is it done or is there anything that I need to do?
Can you show once again the requirement?
Okay. So requirement is we have a top 3 opportunity field is there. Now inside this account, we have a n number of opportunities. But out of n number of opportunities, I wanted to take the top highest amount of the opportunity and the sum of that opportunities, sum of the amount of opportunities.
I think it's done.
Rahul, is it done or anything is there?
We have
Okay.
to make this sum. So where we are doing the sum.
Where are we
Which
doing
is
the sum?
we have just taken the count. So
Mhm.
count is not required.
Update count is not required.
We just have to on that field. We just have to add the sum, right?
Why do we have to add the sum?
Total amount.
Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and debug it. So have we already covered the loop and pause? Team, did we cover the loop and pause?
We covered the loop. Pause we didn't. No.
Update account field. Click on save. Now I'm going to capture this account ID. Now let's go ahead and debug. What happened right now?
Oh, it's asking for the sum value.
Why do I need a sum? Why do I need a sum? So do I need available for input?
No.
Available for output?
Yeah, we need it for output.
Yes.
Okay, let's say debug. Okay, it is asking record ID. Fine. Now run. So what is the output it got?
It total the amount, everything. Yeah.
Details, refresh. Right, it is updated the total amount. Let's go ahead and see. Now what we did for this is first we got all the opportunities. Irrespective of the account, I got everything. Right? But when I look at the get top 3 opportunities, so collection sort, what I'm doing it based on the top 3. What is the top 3 amount it took? What are the highest numbers it has? The highest number is
235.
5,
Yeah.
235 and 5
5,000
and
and
4.
4,000.
So it took those 3 amount and it calculated.
But this one shows different values.
Yes, why
Different
it took
amount.
the different value? Why it took the different value? Just now I said. Why it took the different value?
Because we are getting all the records because of that.
Yes. Opportunity, what we did opportunity. This is related to the edge communication. So if we took opportunities irrespective of the account, I took everything. I took all the opportunities. So what is the change that I need to do?
We have to assign account ID with opportunity ID.
Where do I need to assign?
An opportunity to get to touch.
In the get records, account ID equals to, which one do I need to take?
Record ID.
Record ID. Done. Let's save. Now again copy this specific account ID. Debug. Perfect. Run. Executed. Let's go to the get accounts. Get accounts related to the account ID. Collection top 3. Did it take the right one right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now loop. We are going through the each one of them. Now assignment update. What happened on the top three? It took the 235000 first time. First time it took the 235000. Now we are going through the each loop. We are going through the each loop. First loop, the amount is 2350. And the second one, it added the 5000 to 235. So what is it became? It became 240. Again, one more time, it went into the loop. And it updated it took the 4000 to 8. Before, how much it was? It was 240. Initially 235 plus 5 it is added. 240. For 240 it added the plus 4. Right now 244. Now what is anything is there in the loop? No, we are ending up because we sorted to take only the top 3. Now we updated the account with the top 3 opportunity sum, which is 244. So now let's go ahead and see what is the output that I have. Is it correct?
Yeah.
235 plus 5, and then it became 240. 240 plus 4, 244. Now the amount is perfect. Right?
Yeah.
Now, when you say pause, Rahul, what is exactly are you expecting? How are we taking the particular account ID? Right. So how are we taking the particular account ID?
Because we are looking into one account.
From where are we taking that?
From which we selected already, on which we created the.
In the get opportunities. Okay, question to Rahul. How are we taking the account ID here? What is the conditions that we have here? On the opportunity, while pulling the opportunity, what are the where conditions that we are using? Account ID is null, false. That means account ID should be there. Amount is null, false. That means amount should be there. Account ID equals to record ID. What is the record ID? Record ID is a variable. Record ID is a variable that we created. How did we create it? We went into the new resource. The variable we have took the resource name as variable and we gave the record ID. It has to be small and I has to be capital. And data type is text, available for input, available for output. Input means while executing the debug log, it is going to ask you to enter the record ID of that. So when I enter the record ID, what will happen? If I enter this particular record ID, what will happen immediately? In the get records, we have a where condition record ID. I'm giving the record ID while executing the debug log. If it is not a debug log, it will automatically capture from the 18 digit from the URL. Record ID is going to capture the 18-digit ID from the URL automatically. If it is a debug, we have to provide the record ID to flow. Is it clear? Okay. Now coming to the pause. Back to your question, loop and pause. When you say pause, what are you expecting here? We are in the loop. When you say pause, what is that?
We able to Pause the loop.
I don't know the question that Rahul asked. I'm not sure what is he is expecting.
Okay.
What is the pause that you are expecting? The element one left side, that there was a pause. So I asked, where is the pause? The element which is there on the left side. Let's go back to the edit. Element,
In the
let's
free
go
form layout. Yeah.
in the free form.
Pause.
Ah, are you talking about this pause? Okay. No, this one we did not cover. Okay. So this pause the flow we did not cover. This we will take it later. Okay, so see, the layout has changed when I switch to auto layout to the free form. The layout itself is changed. In auto layout, it was showing in the different structure, and in the free form, it is showing in this way. If I go to the auto layout, lose the position. So this is how it displays. Fine. So the pause element we have to cover. That is fine. But one thing, did you guys observe that when we are debugging it, there is some setup. Click on debug. Let's give that run. Here we have some setup. Debug panel preferences. Show API names. Show governor limits. Show transaction boundaries. Now, let's go back here. Expand all. See, it is showing the governor limits here. It is showing the governor limits where we are doing the get record. Circle query 1 out of 100. The rows 5 out of 5,000. Queries, one query it is done. The rows it is written 5. What is the expected governor limits is 5,000. 5,000, 50,000 records we can get it. That is the governor limit. 100 queries we can write it. Right now we have one query which we have done it in the get records. And 5 records it got output. Let's expand. There we have a governor limits, and I do not see any other places. Update record. Update record, governor limits. One circle query, 1 rows, DML statement, 1 out of 150. What is the maximum DML statement? 150, and rows 10,000. Nice. So you can click on this whenever you are debugging it. You can see your governor limits also on the flow. So this is a good one. And next, going back to the collection filter. When you say collection filter, okay, let me go ahead and add the collection filter. Now tell me collection filter, how can I add? Let's take this name is a filter. Okay, so opportunities. Now we have a collection sort. Previous to this, collection sort is there, which is top 3, right? Which is top 3. Now I wanted to have the opportunities, the stage is qualified. The stage is qualification only. I wanted to take those records. We have a 5 opportunities. Stages, need analysis, qualification, need analysis, prospecting. 5 records are there. Out of 5 records, I am only interested of the sum of per specific qualification. Where the stage is qualification, only those values I wanted to take. Only those amount, opportunity amount I wanted to take. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead and put the filter here. Stage, where is the stage? Stage equals to, what is the stage? Qualification. Done. Now I have a on top, getting the top 3. Out of top 3, I'm again filtering it, which is first top 3 is based on the amount descending order. On amount descending order, again I'm filtering it to look at only the one that has a qualification opportunities. Now let's go ahead and say.
We can also do this condition in the sort itself, right?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, both together also can be done. Okay.
Yes, this is just an example I am giving it, but you can do it both together. You can give here, this is a sort options. Okay, you will, okay, sorry, you will not be able to do. So in the sort option, you will have only the sort by. Now, in case if you wanted to add another sort, let's go ahead and see stage name. It is going to give ascending or descending.
Okay.
You will not be able to do here, but let's go and see the get opportunities. Stage.
Yeah, we can
Stage
do it
equals to, you can do it here. Okay.
Okay.
But right now, for example, I'm taking the filter.
Okay.
Now let's take the debug. Run. So initially I got the sort 3 opportunities, and then filter we have a stage name equal to qualification and 5,000. So it loop, how many times it will loop?
2 times.
2 times it will loop, and the final output is, why it is taking 244? Because why it is taking 244?
It has taken the highest amount also.
Taken the, no, we already filtered the here highest number and then filter.
Yeah, so it should display 9,000, right?
Yes. So why it is taking the 244? It is taking the 3 opportunity sum. But ideally what should happen? It should take only 2 opportunities, because we gave the filter stage equal to qualification. Where is the issue?
So one opportunity is missing in the qualification filter. Only 2 opportunities were there under qualification.
Yes. So it should come 9,000. The output should come as 9,000. So where is the problem? Rahul, where is the problem? Raj, where is the problem? What is missing here? What is the problem? Look at it, each component you will able to identify. Let's go to the edit flow.
Just to open the filter now once.
Filter, okay. Edit the filter.
Okay, here stage name equal to qualification.
Mm.
So then check opportunities. Those 3 records have stage name qualifications or not.
No, it doesn't have. Here is the opportunities. Identify how many are there.
3.
3 are there with the qualification.
Only 2 are there.
Only 2 are.
Okay, only 2 are there. So it should calculate the amount for only these 2.
Only these 2.
So where is the problem? Sushma, where is the problem?
Once you can like open the filter.
Okay. Vivek, where is the problem? Raj,
In the
where is,
filter, we gave only one condition, but in the previous case, like we we asking for the top three, like.
Mhm. After top three, I'm filtering it. So it should take the latest one.
Yes. So collection filter. Can you open that once? Can you open the
Might
filter
be
once?
because of the top three, it's taking first one again.
No, once this element is done, it will come down. I'm not saying to go back.
No, means we might be confusing that particular flow. The reason is like,
How the flow gets executed?
yeah, means first
The order.
opportunity order, like as order it is there.
So why it is getting confused? You are
No,
saying
means
that it might be getting confused to go back. Why it will get confused?
no, we are confusing the flow, I'm saying. So
What is the problem? Where it is going wrong?
I'm just debug once.
Debug, okay. Save. Run. So my output is coming as 244. Yes, I did the debug. So this is real time how you work with the developers. When somebody is facing the issue, this is how you will work with the developers. Yes, tell me where is the issue?
Yes, ma'am. Here we get to final update value is 24,000.
Yes, 24,000 we are getting it. But that is not the right one. We
That is
should get only the one which is having the qualification. One qualification is 5,000, one qualification is 4,000. Sum of these two is 9,000. So I should be getting the output of 9,000.
okay.
Yes, mute does not work. Speak on. Where is the problem?
Yes.
Start thinking where is the problem. Look at the each component. Amala, Akhil, Vivek, Rahul. Where is the problem? Sushma, where is the problem? Shravan. So this program is written by you. I have not written. So where is the problem?
Ma'am, update count. Sir.
Update count. Okay. Mm.
So this one is
Top to sum. Okay. Now filter is get top three opportunities. Now here what is happening in the loop?
So we have to get the opportunities from filter.
okay.
What is the output? 9,000.
Yes, sir.
See how small thing. Loop is the one which is problem. Because what we were doing it, we were looping through the get top three ops. But I have to loop through the filter. After the filter, whatever the output of the filter is that I have to loop through that records. I thought to give this assignment to you. So is it clear for everybody? Where is the problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Interview questions. First one, while running the debug log, how to find Garner limits. How to find a Garner limits while running the debug log. What is collection sort? What is collection filter? By the way, which component type did we use right now? Which component type did we use right now? Which flow type did we use right now? Auto launch flow. What is auto launch flow? What is the difference between collection sort and collection filter? Assignment. Implement the flow.
Ma'am, am I doing filter first and after sort?
No, you can do either one. You
Either.
can do either one.
Then which one is the last one? That one will add it to loop.
Yes. Basically, if you are adding a collection filter and sort, so what are the final query result is there? That final query result you have to give it to loop.
Okay. Okay.
Difference between filter and decision. Which is a decision? Okay. The condition you are talking about? Okay, this decision, you can use it. But I have not seen a scenario so far where we have used together both. Because this print, this filter is there. This filter is introduced, collection filter is introduced in the summer 22. Okay, so in case if there is any business scenario or any scenarios out there, we can use together. If the flow is very big, then we have to use together. It's not necessary that I have to use only filter. I do not need to use this decision. You can use both of them. Implement a flow. Implement a flow to calculate probability probability opportunities, calculate top 3 probabilities of opportunities and update in update final output in account field. So create a new field on the account. So what is this means is if you have an opportunity, on the opportunity create at least 5 opportunities, and for each opportunity there will be a probability. Okay, based on your stage name, the probability will be there. So take the highest probability and sum them, update that probability inside the account. Implement a flow to get count of, implement a flow to update roll-up summary field on account. So basically, how do you update the roll-up summary? You need to get the count of contact, and this count of contact has to be updated in the roll-up summary field. Create a new field, roll-up summary on the account, get the count of contact and update that output into the roll-up summary field on the account. And one more thing, I guess I have collection sort. Are we clear on the collection? No, not collection, collection choice. Are we clear on the collection choice? Go
Yes, ma'am.
back. Choice, record choice set, picklist choice set, collection choice set. Are we clear on these 4?
Yeah, yes.
Choice set, collection choice set, record choice set, picklist choice set. Did I give the assignment on this?
Yeah, yes, you have given.
So that's all for today. Please practice it, complete the assignment. Okay. And so right now it is pending is only schedule trigger, and we will cover about the pause element. Next
Can
time
we
will
take one more example on the platform event?
Yes. Platform event, I gave 2 examples, I guess. One is updating the contact record and another one is message. Did I not cover the contact record update? I think I covered it. Updating the contact record based on the platform event trigger.
No, ma'am. Only the message
No,
we
you
did.
have not.
Only the message we did.
What is this? Create a contact. Go ahead and check the videos, my previous videos. Updating the contact record. And we did create the contact record for the MuleSoft.
Oh, yeah.
Event platform. Right? And you asked the question. The question you asked is, ma'am, we did not give the phone number and email. Why it is taking the phone number and email?
Yeah. Now I remember.
Okay, so I think we covered that. Should be fine. There is nothing much on that. As soon as basically as soon as the platform event hear anything, we can create a record. That's what is the platform triggered flow. Okay, otherwise you give up the scenario, we'll see on that. Come up with a business scenario, but it has to be valid business scenario. Okay, Sushma, come up with a business scenario, then we will take it up.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay, any other questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then happy weekend.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
like
Once
Yeah.
once you show that notepad, so to take a screenshot of assignment.
Nowadays, it's just triggered my mind. Sorry to say that. People are so smart, even for writing also it is feeling lazy. Screenshot. Yeah, go ahead. Who is asking next question?
yeah, like through the gate records, we are doing the socket, that we are getting the data. And by doing the collection sort and collection filter, we are doing the if condition, right?
Where condition?
Where condition.
What is a sort? In SOCL, where do we write the sort?
Okay. If we are asking like if the
See,
okay, we
simple.
are
Do
in
not
the
get
sort, we
confused.
are
Sort
doing
is basically a where condition in the SOCL. So what we did here right now, where is my screen? Let's go back. What was the flow name that we created? Update account flow. No, not this one. Yeah, this is okay. So basically, if I try to debug, now let's go ahead and give the account ID. Click on run. So expand all. So what is this? This is a SOCL query. Let's keep this API name SOCL transaction. Perfect. So this is the SOCL query. Okay. On top of the SOCL query, what are we doing it? Where? Sort by. Where? Amount descending order. And then again, I am doing the where condition where stage name equals to qualification. Those are where conditions, not a if conditions. If it is a if condition, in if condition means in the flow, it's a decision box. If condition is nothing but a decision box.
yes.
Okay. Any other questions?
Ma'am, one
Yeah.
question. Okay, here we have a governor limits, right?
Mm-hmm. Right.
Here, can I write an update statement inside the for loop? Like update count is there. So after the update count, will I write update?
No. Update has to be outside. That is a default governor limits, right? We should not write a DML statement within the for loop. So let's do this way. Okay. Write the update inside the for loop and see the check this governor limits. Okay, check how it is going to display your governor limits. Anyway, you are doing in the developer edition, right? So you will get some idea why should we not do. So try to do this update inside the for loop and
Okay.
debug and enable this Garner
Uh,
limits.
Instead of update, am I do any DML operation inside the for loop? If exceed the 100, sorry, exceed the
150.
150, it will throw an exemption. Right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thanks, man.
Yeah. Okay, then any other questions?
But in the real time, it's not best practice of any DML operation should be done inside the loop.
Yes.
What will be the difference between auto launch and record trigger?
Okay, record triggered flow. Tell me what when do we happen? When this happen?
If the record is created, updated, deleted, recreated
Yes.
or updated, then that flow will run.
Okay. Auto launch flow is nothing but some other transaction is calling this flow. Auto launch flow will happen whenever Apex is calling or the lightning aura is calling. Somebody is hitting the flow. It is not directly calling from the UI. Record triggered flow is nothing but user is performing some action on the UI. Immediately my flow will trigger. But whereas auto launched is not going to fire immediately based on the user action. Based on the user action, it might go into the lightning aura. Not only the user action. For example, you have a batch class, some process which is running automatically. From that process, I wanted to call this flow. So auto launch flow is nothing but somebody is calling this flow. Could be a Apex,
So
could
it
be
is
a lightning aura, could
possible.
be a LWC.
It is possible then it will be activated through button.
Auto launch flow, no. Auto launch flow. So for the button, let's go to the, let's understand here, edit object. Now go to the account, click on a button, link, action, click on a new action. Now we have a create a record. Now we have a flow. Okay. On the flow, which one did we create right now? What is this flow name? Update account field. Am I able to see the update account field? I'm on the account object. I implemented the logic on the opportunity. Okay, let's go to the opportunity. Anyway, here we cannot see, but let me go to the opportunity. Button link new action. So let's go ahead and create action type flow. Am I able to see the update account field?
No.
So that means when I say user interaction will, as soon as user enter anything, user does any action on the screen, auto launch flow doesn't trigger. Whether it could be a field update, whether it could be a button click, whether it could be a link click, whatever is user is doing it. Whatever user does on the UI, the auto launch trees directly will not trigger. It might trigger indirectly through the Apex or through the lightning aura through LWC.
Okay.
Right? And just a quick update, how to create a button. You have to go to the account, go to any object, basically look at for the button link action, click on a new action. So here we will see button, sorry, action type, which is a flow. Now create a contact is there, create a case is there, new contact is there, we can create it and you can give the new contact one. Immediately it will be appear here, right? Like this new contact that we have seen.
Yeah. Yes.
So auto launch is directly, it will not trigger from Salesforce UI.
We have to make it and we have to call it. We have to write the apex, or we can call it from LWC.
Yes. Some external system is nothing but either right now anyway process builders are going out, so I do not want to specify that. Either my Apex or either my Aura, either my LWC or any different way I'm calling the flow.
But not through the buttons and that.
No buttons.
Yeah.
What is the difference between what is the difference between the
Auto launch
auto launched
and record.
flow and record trigger? Okay. Implement a auto launch flow what is this flow should be doing it? Get top 3 opportunity sum. Opportunity, top 3 opportunity amount sum. Okay. And in the same requirement, implement screen flow.
Its account is amount.
Implement a screen flow. Implement a screen flow to create an opportunity. Okay. And then call auto launch flow from screen flow. Try this. So what I'm saying is basically create 2 opportunities. Sorry, create a flow, 2 flows. One is screen flow and another one is auto launch flow. Okay, auto launch flow, the one which we created right now. What we created? Top 3.
Update account field, top 3
Yeah,
opportunities.
opportunity sum. Now here in the screen flow, I need a screen where I can create a opportunity. Where I can create a opportunity. So this is a create new opportunity. And click on save. And while creating the opportunity, link the account ID to the current one, which is the record ID. What are the record ID you have? So create a new opportunity linked to the same account ID. Okay, in first screen, you are creating the opportunity. As soon as the opportunity is created, and call this auto launch flow inside the screen flow. So when it is running, it should look for this opportunity. It should look for this opportunity also. Okay, screen flow, auto launch flow, 2 flows. Auto launch flow, the one which we have created right now. Screen flow is where you are creating the new flow. Basically, in this screen flow, we are creating the new opportunity. And as soon as the new opportunity is created, then call this auto launch flow inside the screen flow. And when auto launch flow is running up, then it should look for this record as well. On the top three, in case if you have give the field here amount. So let's give it as the highest number. So when you give the highest number, it should consider this opportunity also when it is running this. Try this. If it is possible, do it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, then any other questions?
No. Thank you.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, everyone. Happy weekend. Bye-bye.